My name is Aparan Caroline. I'm a home mother in Beyond Uganda Ministries. Thank you, Catalyst Church, for building us a new home. We have been having a limited space whereby children didn't have enough space to play. They couldn't carry out agriculture, they couldn't carry out poultry, but we believe that we are going to have a space whereby they are going to carry out poultry, they're going to carry out agriculture, they will play. Thank you very much. And even we are going to have a good house whereby we have a kitchen, we have a dining. All the children will be having their own room, and the young ones also will be having their own room. So we thank you very much. May God bless you so much.
Praise God. My name is Akun Jenny. I am in Beyond Uganda. I live in the children's home. Thank you, Catalyst Church, for building a new home. I believe that will give us enough space to carry out activities like agriculture. May God bless you.
My name is Muksa Abdel Kiza from Beyond Uganda. I am here to thank Catalyst Church. Thank you, Catalyst Church, for giving us a new home. We believe that we shall have enough space to play from and sleep. May God bless you.